up and good morning? Oh, probably shouldn't say that so loud, it's a little bit early. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the old Denali here getting nice and warmed up on what is probably so far the coldest start we have done. Got a little bit of a drive ahead of us. We're gonna go meet up with our good buddy Nick. As you guys may remember from way back in the videos, Nick's actually the guy that Chris got his BDS lift kit from. And well, a lot of you guys say I don't have enough Fords on this channel. So today we're gonna change that. But it's not just any Ford, or it's not just anybody's Ford. Well, let's get in the truck. Let's head up there and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Let's see what kind of frigid temperatures we're working with here. Whoa, 55. Man, we're definitely gonna have to crank that, turn those boogers on, turn that bad boy on. So we're gonna have to pull over here, make a little pit stop, and you guys are probably saying, Rhino, why are you going to load? I'm glad to start seeing these popping up all around California. It's about time. Oh, sorry, Lowe's for blowing up your bathroom.
Arrive.
What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy? Long time no see.
I know, dude. How you been?
Good, good. So you guys may or may not remember Nick. Nick is, shoot, when did Chris get his lift kit?
Oh my God, dude. It's been probably a year and a half.
Yeah, so a year and a half ago. Now Nick lives a little bit closer to me now. Dude, this is still a mission to get up here, huh?
Yeah.
Show us your new setup, because I don't think I've seen. Nick's been through about 14 different lift kits, 20 sets of wheels and tires on this truck.
Geez, dude, right here I got the BDS coilover kit. So this is a 6.5 inch kit, and I have it ran to 6 inches. So I got this collar all the way up.
Gotcha.
And I got 3 inches of lift in the back, so I don't. It feels proportionate to the 37s. 18 by 9s. These are 0 offset from ATX, and then I got 37-inch Toyo MTs.
So if you guys remember in my old video talking about the offset of my wheels and how, you know, I have them sticking out, and to me, you know, lift height to wheel track width, it's proportionate.
Yeah.
And there's very few trucks that can pull off essentially almost keeping them flush. You stick out about what, 2, 3 inches? You stick out about the same as Chris's.
Yeah, not too much.
But it looks nice, especially when you can fit 37s on the 6 inch. And really not too much trimming, huh?
Yeah, not too much. I have a lot of trimming from prior wheel and tire setups.
This poor truck, man, it's been through so many setups.
It has. Yeah, this is I think the 5th lift kit that's been on it.
Jeez.
Yeah, number 5, and honestly, it's definitely over 10 for the wheels and tires.
Commitment issues, huh?
Yeah.
That's fair. No, it looks killer, man.
Yeah, it only has just hit 41,000 miles when I went up to Tahoe.
Jeez.
So, yeah, I've changed wheels and tires more times than I've changed my oil. It's possible it doesn't.
Is that your pink bike, bro? This thing's pretty sweet.
I was trying to hide it.
That thing's pretty sweet, dude. Nice. I like your style.
Yeah.
Was this your girl's bike?
Yep, that's her bike and that's my bike. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
I think I've seen you before somewhere.
It's cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This thing's clean.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just got a leveling kit or something on it?
Yeah, it's just the Ready Lift one. It's like
Okay.
the extended spring, and I've been thinking about doing like a little different setup, but yeah, good for now. That's pretty nice. I almost wish I would have done at 18, but it's cool for now.
I think a 20 looks good.
Yeah, it's just such a big tire. I was like, 20. Like I've had like 33s or 35s before, and not on this truck, but like 18 or 17.
Yeah.
I was like, 37's huge. Like, I need to get a bigger rim.
Yeah, no, it's proportionate, dude. Yeah, getting
Whatever.
just replacement coilovers will make it ride better.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a lot of options for your truck.
Yeah, I've been pretty happy with this.
So as you guys can see, today on the channel, we get to feature a somewhat brand new Ford. This happens to be Cole Seely'S truck.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But yeah, let's go take it for a little test drive. These things are definitely nice inside.
I wonder how the suspension feels with a leveling kit. Go find like a speed bump or something.
All right. I bet it's pretty smooth. All right, well, we finally found a speed bump to test out the suspension.
Yeah, Cole wants to upgrade his suspension, so
Let's go, hit it, buddy.
see how it feels.
Oh, shit. What the?
Did you hear that?
Dude, what was that?
Dude, did you, something fall?
Dude.
Dude, you want that?
Oh, dude. Really?
Oh my God.
Dude.
What are we gonna do?
I told you we should not drive Cole's truck, dude.
Oh my God.
The heck is this big old stupid thing anyway? Oh, dude.
Looks like a torpedo. I'm not sure what it even does.
You're paying for it. You were driving.
All right, well, we gotta make it right. Let's get back to the shop.
Can we just leave this here? Sure, dude. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, man.
Don't you have a spare exhaust here?
I think I do. I think I do, actually. I think it might fit.
Let's just fully gut this thing. Let's just put a new exhaust on it and we'll act like it never happened.
Yeah, I don't think he'll notice.
All right, let's do it. Do you got something in your stack of exhaust back there? Is that for a Ford?
I think it'll fit.
All right, well,
Let's try it.
all right. Sorry, Cole.
Like, I think, what is it
The
called?
air intake goes under the battery.
Yeah, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense to have the intake here and the battery here.
Yeah, Ford should have moved the battery to the other side.
Yeah, they definitely did.
Call your boy up. Let's get an intake for this thing.
All right, let's do it.
I don't know, guys, but that is service with a smile. Got an S&P intake already?
Yes, sir.
Look at that. So, with the Fords, obviously being that the battery's here, intake's here, you gotta essentially relocate the battery a little bit, the new battery tray. But the good thing is S&P includes that in there.
Check this out.
Look at that. We don't need this anymore.
Nope.
Put it in the trash pile.
Look at that. That's
Dang. And that's what, 17,000 miles?
even got some debris inside of it.
Uh-oh.
You want it like that?
Look at that. That is pretty. I gotta say, I like S&P's intakes. I like the look of that. Being able to see the filter. You don't ever have to pop your box and get surprised. Well, now we got the easiest part done. Fun part is putting in the new 5-inch exhaust, which is gonna suck because I'm pretty sure the factory one is still hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Let's get her up in the air and oh, no? No? No.
Not here, not right now. Shop's too busy.
So, in case you guys don't know, Nick actually has a shop about 30 minutes from here. But they're so busy and all the lifts are full, that's the reason it's getting done here, is just to knock it out and get it done. But also the reason I want a warehouse that has a lift in it, you know, anytime buddies or anything want to be able to work on their trucks or little projects like this, we can swing by and we'll have a warehouse fully equipped to do stuff.
Yeah, I'll be down there.
At least the Ford sit up off the ground a little bit higher.
Yeah, dude, stock Duramax is not fun to do on the floor.
It's insane, guys, how many sensors they put on these exhaust systems. Absolutely insane. Nick, you having fun back there, buddy?
Is drop the spare tire or do it this way? Go! Woo!
Trapped!
Okay, hold on, bench press it a little bit. There's so much tension on it. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Alright. Okay, hold on. Okay, go. Alright, I'm about to drop mine.
Hold up, bro. There's so much more room for activities down here.
Right?
This is nice.
It's a lot lighter too.
Right? And that exhaust pipe we found in your garage is going to work nicely in here, huh?
You got it? You're holding it? So far. I gotta get right where you're at now.
Oh, cuddle up, buddy. So we've gotten all the pieces in. Now Nick is going through and tightening all the clamps, starting at the front, working his way back. All right, Nick, what do we got here? Next step.
Easy Link.
So as you guys know, on my truck, I opted to not go with the Easy Link, just because I don't like syncing my phone up to stuff. It's just a pain in the butt. But there's definitely pros to the Easy Link.
Definitely. So
Just plugs into the OBD2 port.
now it's just a bunch of staring at your phone. It's exciting.
My least favorite thing to do in the world.
That's the biggest tire size you can do on a Ford, 34.5.
I heard that is the only issue with EasyLink, is you cannot, for some reason, go up bigger on the tire size.
Just on the Ford, yeah. There we go.
Oh, we got gauges?
We got all the gauges.
All right, so as you guys can see, this is the same DSP-5 switch essentially that I have in my truck, but my good buddy Mark DeCola made that sweet mount for the GM trucks, which, Mark, buddy, we need one for the Fords. That way it mounts factory, it looks beautiful. Nick's unfortunately gonna have to do it the old school way.
Yeah.
And drill a hole in that really expensive dash. I see him, hold on. Yep. I got one. Keep pulling.
A little more on the orange one. A little bit.
All right. Your sticker, sir.
Nice and pretty.
Look at that.
It's the last piece and we're done, dude.
Nice.
So I'll make sure it lines up.
All right, buddy. Fire her up. Thanks, buddy.
I didn't know it was gonna smoke like that.
She's a monster now, huh?
Oh my god, yeah.
All right, buddy. Now we gotta throw all this crap in the bed of the truck.
Yeah, we do.
All right.
Got the backflip M4 right here. MX4, excuse me.
It's a nice cover.
It is. It's actually really nice.
All right, well, last thing we got to do here is take it on a test ride. But of course, I got to make sure I hook up my good buddy Cole here. A little bit of work for it gear. You know, we got a nice crop top hoodie for his girl, hat for him, a little key tag for the truck, because obviously, you know, now that it's a big beast of a truck, you got to have a work for it key tag. Yeah, she's shifting a lot harder.
Oh yeah. There's actually 2 tunes that are out there. So you can do like a medium shift, and then this one's like real firm with a 100% converter lockup on second gear. So.
Oh, I felt it.
Oh yeah, I felt it too. That's for sure. Barely stepped on it, dude.
Nice.
Just barely.
She's a banshee, bro.
it's fast.
I gotta hand it to Ford on this one.
Yeah.
This thing definitely, I mean, it's like any truck, you know, something falls off, it really wakes the truck up.
Oh yeah.
And I gotta say, these things, it's a whole nother truck.
Yeah, so if you download Auto Agent, awesome.
Sounds awesome. The 37s
Dude,
feel like stock tires.
That's what I was kind of bummed when I bought this because it didn't have enough sound. It was like they're so quiet when they're stock. I couldn't believe like.
Well, get ready. You're gonna be stoked.
You should be able to hear it.
Oh yeah. That's already louder.
Yeah,
finally. Yeah. Oh yeah. That sounds so much better.
That's what you thought you were buying, right? When you bought a diesel?
Yeah.
That's what. So what's it like a day after a race?
Pretty sore. Yeah, I got drug tested last night too. Like they kind of do random drug tests.
Gotcha.
So like race is over at 10.
Be honest. Did we pass?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Okay, fair.
I should pass.
All right, fair.
Should be no reason not to pass.
All right, cool.
So it's like, yeah, race is over at like 10, and usually like I can be home by 11.
Yeah.
Well, after you completely deplete yourself, like you gotta, I drank like 5 bottles of water in the waiting room, just like sitting there, like we're all just so, you know, completely dehydrated. So
That's dumb. They can't do it the next morning.
it took me till, I think I finally was able to pee at like 11:30. I didn't get home till like 12:30.
Dude, that's.
And the whole time I was thinking like, oh, I gotta be at your house at 9:30. I'm like,
That's a weird thing. When he called me and he texted me saying because I was running a little bit late. He's like,
Yeah.
yeah, Cole's running a little bit late, and then we got here, and I'm like, dude, that's gotta suck. Because I think
Yeah.
I stopped watching last night at like 11.
Oh,
By the time
yeah.
I finally like shut the TV off and watching you guys race, and it's like, yeah, I don't know how you guys do it. That's cool though. You guys are definitely living the dream. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. It's been a good ride for sure. And I can afford to do stuff like this.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah, that's mainly what it's about.
It's working for it. So I got a apparel company work for it.
Yeah.
It started with trying to restore kind of pride in blue collar work and like the younger generations that are basically told like college is your only path to
Right.
success. Which I don't know if you went to college.
I did.
You did?
I did for a semester. So I got.
All right.
I went my rookie year. Didn't go like that great.
Right.
And then I didn't have a ride. Like the team I was on folded. So then I was like, well, I don't have a ride for next year. I'm just gonna go back to school.
Yeah.
So I took one semester, like not even a full semester, and then I got a ride for the next year.
Awesome.
And that was on Honda, and I've been on Honda for 11 years now. 10 years? 11?
That's
I don't know.
crazy.
So
Wow.
it was a very small sliver of college, of real life. Like I'm going back to school,
Yeah.
but still trying to find a job on the side so I didn't have to go back to school.
Well, and knowing like not giving up on that passion. It was like that's
yeah,
what
for
really
sure.
really set it in stone.
Yeah.
And that's kind of like what we try and like push is like, listen, if college ain't for you and you've got something you love, you I don't want to say dumb, but like you'd be dumb to not go chase it. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
'Cause you're gonna
and like YouTube now, like you can learn a lot on
Yeah.
YouTube. Like it's a very good
Or you
educational
can make a
tool.
living
Yeah.
on YouTube. Like,
Yeah,
look how many
exactly.
kids
It's
are doing it.
crazy.
They're
It's
crushing
nuts.
it, you
Yeah.
know?
No.
So if you guys don't know, Cole Seely's has his own YouTube channel as well, and he's big into the car scene, the bike scene, now the truck scene.
Yep.
So make sure you guys go check him out. I'll put him down in the info. And our good buddy Nick over here.
Yeah, I just started too.
Just started on YouTube. So go
Yeah.
ahead, buddy. What's your
American Duramax. I mean, how hard could it be? Just like my Instagram.
All right, guys. So with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. I want to thank Cole Seely for being a good sport and letting us play with his truck today. We enjoyed it. You guys know I was on the fence about buying a new Power Stroke versus my Duramax that I got over there. These things are absolutely
See how
nice.
the wheel wells are round?
Why would you want? Then I can't run my square tires. Why would you want round wheels? Anyways, thanks, buddy. Thanks. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to support these two. Support this guy especially. You know, the season just started. He's coming out swinging. So
Yep.
make sure you guys check out Cole Seely in the Supercross season. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, especially an amazing career that we all dream of, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Cole, brother, I'll let you take it.
Thank you. Thank you guys. I can't wait to check the video out, actually. I'm excited to see what happened behind the scenes. And excited to drive this thing home, see what the power is all about.
Yell, roll the outro, however you want.
What's the outro?
Just yell, roll the outro.
Roll the outro? Oh, okay.
He was
Roll the outro.
Damn.